You know something strange about your body after 60? Even when you eat less, your belly seems to grow. It feels unfair, doesn't it? You exercise regularly and still nothing changes. You eat carefully and the scale refuses to move. It can feel frustrating every single day. But what if the real problem isn't your diet? Or even your age? What if it's something much deeper inside your body? Something most people never think about. Your gut health. Yes, the balance of bacteria in your digestive system. It can control how your body stores fat, how hungry you feel throughout the day, and how efficiently your metabolism works. Your gut affects almost everything, from energy levels to digestion, and even your immune system. Think of it like a hidden control center inside your body. Now, here's something many Americans don't know. In Japan, people have been eating a simple food for generations. A food that helps them stay lean, energetic, and strong, even well into their 70s and 80s. Some live past 90, moving like people half their age. And their secret isn't exercise alone. It's a traditional food called natto. It's made from fermented soybeans. And yes, it might sound unusual at first. Sticky, strong-smelling, and unlike anything you're used to. But people who eat it consistently don't care about the taste. They care about what it does inside their body. Natto contains powerful enzymes and billions of beneficial bacteria. These bacteria are called probiotics. And they support your gut microbiome. Think of it as a tiny ecosystem inside your digestive system. Your gut microbiome helps regulate fat storage. It affects your energy levels, your cravings, and your digestion. When your gut bacteria are out of balance, your body goes into fat storage mode automatically. Even if you eat less than usual, even if you exercise regularly. That's why stubborn belly fat appears. It's not a calorie problem. It's a gut problem. But when your gut is healthy, your body can burn fat more efficiently. You feel less bloated. You have more energy. And your metabolism starts working like it used to. The good bacteria in natto send signals to your body. They tell your metabolism to burn energy, not store it. They also reduce inflammation throughout your body and help your insulin respond correctly. These three factors together are key to losing stubborn belly fat, especially after 60, because belly fat isn't just about appearance. It affects your energy, digestion, and overall health. Your gut also influences how your hormones behave, how your stress levels rise and fall, and even how motivated you feel every day. When natto restores gut balance, it starts working from the inside out. You may notice less bloating and more stable energy. Your body begins to feel lighter and more comfortable. That's why many Japanese people eat it every morning. After fasting overnight, your digestive system is more receptive. It absorbs nutrients faster. The probiotics in natto begin working immediately, helping your gut bacteria multiply and thrive. Over time, it can improve digestion, reduce inflammation in your body, and help your metabolism work more efficiently. If you've never tried natto before, start small with just 1 or 2 tablespoons. Mix it with warm rice. Add a little soy sauce. Sprinkle some green onions. Optionally, add a touch of mustard. The texture may feel unusual at first. That's completely normal. Consistency is more important than quantity. Even a small amount every day is effective. Your body recognizes it and begins working with it. Now, here's something important. If you take blood-thinning medications or have a soy allergy, talk to your doctor first. Your health always comes first. And remember, natto isn't a magic cure. No single food is. But when used consistently, as part of a simple daily habit, it can become a powerful tool. Sometimes the smallest changes create the biggest results. Your gut bacteria also influence your mood. Yes, your happiness and energy can come from your gut. When your gut is healthy, you feel more motivated, more focused, and even your sleep can improve. Natto works silently, helping your gut thrive every day. Even when you don't notice it immediately, over weeks your body adapts. You may start noticing more energy, your clothes fit better, and your digestion feels lighter. Eating it in the morning is the best time, because your gut is empty after sleep. It absorbs nutrients faster, and the probiotics start working immediately. It's like giving your body a natural boost. If you stick to this simple habit, even a small amount every day, you can start seeing subtle changes in a few weeks, and bigger changes over months. Imagine waking up, feeling lighter, less bloated, more energized, and more in control of your body. Sometimes the simplest habits make the biggest difference. It doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need expensive supplements. You don't need extreme diets. Just one traditional food and a consistent daily habit. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe to VitaSignal 60. And tell me in the comments, have you ever tried Natto before? Or would you consider adding it to your morning routine? I read every comment, and I'll see you in the next video.